Hey guys, today I want to talk with you about the GoPro battery charger. This is an officially licensed GoPro product and it charges the batteries really quickly, two at a time, in a really lightweight, small, compact box. It's really helpful. It's covered in a almost feeling like a silicone rubber coating that grips when you set it down somewhere, so it's not going to slide around too much, and it's got the same on the bottom. So it's not going to slide around if you set it down while recording on your GoPro device. The batteries fit in up here in the top, and it charges using a USB-C, same as the GoPro. Just push them in, and they're charging. You'll see here it's got LED indicator up top letting us know these batteries are fully charged. If it is properly charging and they're not full, you will see them light up orange. Overall, the device is great, charges the batteries really quickly, and it's durable. Also works as a great carrying case too when you're out and about. If you've got one of your batteries in the GoPro and the others in here, they're not going to fall out. They're in there securely. Go right in your bag. I think it's a great buy. Check it out on Amazon. Thanks.